Here comes one of the most dominant competitors ever. Breathing fire and raining destruction like a dragon. A focused gaze on the face of Goldberg.
Introducing first, from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 270 pounds,
You think you know me?
The Hall of Famer is here!
Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through.
WWE's resident superhero.
Yeah, here to get rid of all the evildoers in WWE.
And weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane!
Not to be taken lightly. Better be careful, Saxton. You might be mistaken for a supervillain. They could call you Chrome Dome.
What's up with that? The king of the ropes.
It sure looks painful to be thrown against the steel mesh. What does it feel like, Corey?
It feels like the cage is a cheese grater going down your body. The steel mesh is just raking at your flesh.
There's no doubt that the steel cage can become a torture chamber. That's why you see some superstars trying to get over the top as soon as they can. Not so easy when your opponent is nipping at your heels like a rabid dog, though. It's going to take a lot of willpower to make it all the way to the top.
First DDT. How can a superstar use the cage to their advantage?
It's as much a weapon as it is an enclosure. Pinfall, submission, escaping the cage, it's all much easier when you're using the unforgiving steel to keep the opposition down.
He's lost some of his wind now. He's a tough guy. He can handle the intensity of this steel cage match. Oh, this, what a headbutt. Headbutt, 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 headbutt. Now that'll do some serious damage. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless. Enough already. Devastating elbow. Punch. Producing a trampling. Wait till that gut. Going for the run. The fallaway slam.
Uh-oh, this is not going to end well. Powerbomb planted.
The Hurricane answers back, and he's able to beat Goldberg to the punch. This match's brutality starting to show on him.
The toll, the damage that a steel cage match does. We are seeing it right now, Michael.
Swinging neckbreaker. Drop kick.
Oh, great height.
Shifts it back onto it.
Edge with the awareness here.
Boom, running FTO plants him.
Nicely done.
Oh, forearm smack. Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. I don't know if this is a good idea. This is going to take more ropes right now.
METALIK has to devise a new plan here. Feels like it's opportune time to get out of here. Chokeslam? Oh, no.
All the way up. A spine buster, crippling. And victory looking more and more likely for him now in this steel cage match.
Fought so hard to be in this position, but he's only halfway to victory. What a counter. Shot right to the gut.
Great wherewithal on the counter.
Each superstar.
Goldberg sees the finish line. This'll do it. Up and...
What a punch. Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're going to see it. We're going to see it. We're going to see the... Down with the jackhammer. METALIK's in serious danger. Big forearm. From behind. Sits up. Inverted DDT.
He's making his way up the side of the cage.
Is this the right time? Is this the right moment? Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
And he hits the mat with a thump.
Yeah, he's going to have to try something else now.
Big blow could be felt throughout the arena. And that was a well-targeted attack.
And more attacks to his core could hinder his offense. Reciprocating the impact.
Goldberg sees the finish line. This'll do it. Up and...
Just a debilitating neck breaker. Dominating shoulder tackle.
You can feel it. Goldberg's got something devastating on tap.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg. Down with the jackhammer. Goldberg's got it. He's got it.
Down he goes. He's feeling the effects of that last hit. GRAN METALIK with a strategically placed shot. Kick to the midsection, sunset flip.
Into a powerbomb.
Spinebuster.
99.
Oh my goodness, lost into the cage. What a reversal by Goldberg.
He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers. There's some power behind that punch.
Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation for the crowd. Get back into the fight. Boom, what impact. Shoulder tackle. Oh, mounting and now just hammered away with the rights.
Elbows right to the forehead.
Striking at will. On a stop. The offense from Goldberg might be too overwhelming. Goldberg's offense is debilitating. Suplex. Vicious right forearm.
Thunderous club comes down. Very effective.
Great reversal.
Hurricane might be able to start mounting something here.
This could be a chance for Hurricane to get some distance and rethink things.
That catches Hurricane looking. And now he's starting to make his way up the cage.
Heading up and maybe heading out.
Able to interrupt the attack.
Takes incredible guts to make this climb.
Trying to make their way out of the cage. Ow! Oh, God. He's looking down on the cage from the top. And would you look at that? He could be well on his way to escaping the steel cage.
Oh, it's not safe being up there.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
I'll tell you this, guys, no competitor here is looking to give in. It's going to take a lot to end this fight.
We are just seeing sheer perseverance.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg. Jackhammer. Will that prove to be enough this time?
He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him. Slam, that hurt! And the fight has been taken to Hurricane.
Hurricane has to find a way to turn things around.
Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're going to see it. We're going to see it. We're going to see that. Jackhammer. The Hurricane's chances are fading.
Here he goes, working his way up the side of the cage.
Making the big climb towards victory. The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
And as he continues to climb the side of the cage, you have to think his confidence is starting to build.
The longer he's up there, the more fear starts to seep into the mind.
Look at him totally. And he did it! Big win inside the cage.
Here are your winners, Goldberg and the Rated R Superstar, Edge.
Broken, beaten, and scarred. But there is your winner.
And that's about as conclusive a win as you can get in the cage.
They say when you know, and I know there's no tag team on the